Hi again everyone, Chris Winstrom here at MarineMax in Pompano. Thank you for joining us as we walk through this brand new boat that we just had arrive. This is Sea Ray's 21-foot SPX in the outboard version. Wanted to quickly start here at the exterior of the boat, show you some of the features that this boat does include. As you can see, this hull is done in the half hull color of Sea Ray blue, letting your white kind of complement your navy blue hull side color there. And I wanted to just take a look and show you the beautiful look here on the side of this boat. Beautiful shear line. All of your exterior components are done in stainless steel, including the insert here in the rub rail. So this is 3/16 stainless steel all the way around the boat, and your rub rail, your grab handles, as well as your cleats to uphold against some of the corrosion that the salt does have here in South Florida. Go ahead and work our way down the side of the boat. This was fitted with the sports tower option versus the bimini top, kind of complementing that sports car look that these SPXs do have. Nice big canvas there on the top of your sports tower, and there's an option to actually mount wakeboard racks to this tower too to keep them out of the way from inside of the boat. This boat is also paired with this trailer. This is a galvanized tandem axle trailer. As we work our way here to the swim platform, wanted to show you that I do have a 4-step reboarding ladder that once it is stowed away, you can see it is flush with my swim platform, so I don't have to worry about stepping on any components there that might hurt my feet. And also here on our swim platform, we do have a completely glued down sea deck material that runs from the swim platform down into the main cockpit, so we'll show you that as well. Very well is, even though this is an outboard model, I still do have a walkable transom. So there is room down here for the kids to be able to kind of swim on either side of the swim platform here. I do have a ski tow bar for any water sports activities. And this boat was powered with the maximum horsepower option in the 200 Mercury outboard. So this boat will wind up to every bit of 50 miles an hour plus, and just a ton of fun for the days where you've got an extra crew on board and we've got some extra weight to get the boat up on plane. As we work our way here into the main cockpit of this 21 SPX, just wanted to touch on the bisected sun pad that Sea Ray does, so that there is a pop-up backrest that you can use if we wanted to lounge and face aft. But I can stow this away, which gives me a very large sun pad here across the aft end of the boat. As I work my way inside, here in this compartment is where my batteries and battery switch is. I also do have a close-off door here, so if I have small dogs or small children, there's a safety gate that'll keep everything contained here inside of the boat. And as I work my way down, you can see I do have 2 steps that make me feel much more secure and safe here in the main cockpit. This does have all non-skid flooring throughout. And then as I work my way in, I do have a nice wraparound L-shaped seat with a carry-on cooler stored underneath this cushion. Stainless steel grab handles, speakers throughout, and this floor plan is the dual captain's chair setup. So it gives me 2 individual bucket chairs, nicely finished out with a flip-up bolster, as well as that beautiful contrast stitching that Sea Ray does very well throughout the entire boat. This is also done with the premium audio system, so this does have a subwoofer on board for those days where you want it to rock out and let the music play nice and loud. SPXs are all going to come standard with in-floor storage. So this does have a very deep storage compartment here on the inside. Working my way here to the helm. Again, big oversized captain's chair. I don't feel any of the structure of the seat. It's just nothing but comfortable padding. The steering wheel is on a tilt base. I have a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, as well as as you can see, a single multifunction display. I don't have any traditional gauges laid in flush here up against that black acrylic, just a beautifully appointed helm. Very simple rocker style switches for my navigation light, my anchor light, as well as my courtesy light. This boat is fitted with blue wraparound LED lights in all of my cup holders, as well as underneath some of my bolsters for those evening cruises where I did want to have a little bit of mood lighting. It's a beautiful option there. Cup holder here for the driver, USB port, as well as a 12-volt plug. And with the 200 Mercuries and up, as you can see here, I do have a digital throttle with a new and improved start-stop function, as well as active trim, which is standard. Active trim will allow the motor to trim individually based off how fast we're going to optimize your fuel efficiency on the water. I have a lockable glove box here on the port side, so if I wanted to keep any belongings tucked away, I can, and lockable here. 2 additional beverage holders. work my way up into the bow. A very deep bow seating arrangement for a 21-foot boat. Plenty of room for your guests to be able to lounge comfortably up here with storage underneath both port and starboard loungers up front, as well as access to my ground tackle. So I do have an appointed anchor locker here, a fixed navigation light here at the bow, additional stainless steel cleats, and just a nice open bow here for you and your guests. This boat also does include a full boat cover. It's a separate cover here for the bow that snaps in, and then a separate piece there for the main cockpit to keep all of your upholstery clean and out of the elements. So if you'd like to come by and take a look at this boat, again, my name is Chris Wenstrom here at MarineMax in Pompano. You can reach me directly on my cell phone at 727-460-4175. Thanks.